Okay, this video is going to show how to replace the power supply on a Samsung TV. This here is the old power supply, the one that was on the TV. This is what I will be replacing. Okay, first let me turn this around. Alright, got to remove all the screws. Here, here, there, 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 one there, there, the screw there, and this screw here. I've already removed all the screws except this one. This one I've already loosened up just for speed. That's gonna, oops, that's gonna come off there. This comes off, and right inside there, you need to disconnect this. Very simple. Press down and kind of pull on it. There you go. That's disconnected. Now we're going to take the back off the TV. Kind of hard to do with just one hand, but it's very easy to do with two hands. There we go. TV is off. Back of the TV is off. Alright. Here is the power board. Disconnect this here. Disconnect this one here. That's simple. First thing I did to determine if the power board was bad was I looked at these capacitors on this one. Let's make it easy. And none of the capacitors were bad. None of them on the old power board were bad. I checked the fuse and it showed there was power going through it, but for $16, $17 I figured I can't lose buying this. So then, remove these 4 screws here. 2, 3, 4. Scratch that, make that 5. Power board comes off. Put the new one in its place. Screw it back down. Reconnect that one. Reconnect this one. Put the back on it. It's easier with two hands, but there we go. Plug this back in. This is for the power button down here. Plug that back in. Do a test real fast. Gonna plug in the power cord. Should hear it boot up. There it is. It just booted up. Look at it. There it goes. Turned on. Had absolutely no power before. Now it is working. Such an easy fix for only $17. I bought the board from Amazon. That's how simple it is. Thank you for watching.